Hey, welcome back to Hamstick Fixer, your go-to channel for all things tech. We're diving into a super handy tutorial. I'm going to show you how to delete all your Facebook messages in just one click, right from your PC or laptop, using a browser extension. No more manual deletions or headaches. Guys, look. All messages are automatically deleted. So, let's jump right into it. Before we get started, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our helpful tech guides. Alright, let's dive into today's video. Guys, please watch the video without skipping any part. If you skip, you will not understand how to delete Facebook messages correctly. So watch the full video for zero errors. The first thing you'll need to do is open your web browser and go to my website. Search for Facebook in the search bar at the top of my website, then click on the extension post to delete Facebook messages and download it. You can choose a message deletion app of your choice here, both of them work 100%. Guys, I will show you now how to download both these FB message deleting apps and delete FB messages with both of them. So follow my steps. Guys, if you don't understand how to download these both FB message delete app properly, there is a video posted at the bottom of the website. You can watch the video and download it. Now extract these two zip files. Now go to the extension settings of your web browser. After that, turn on the developer mod on the right side of the extension tab. And press the Load Unpacked button and select the FB Message Delete app folder that you extracted. Now, I will show you how to delete FB messages from both extensions. First of all, open the FB Messages Delete extension and press the button that says Click to Go Facebook Messages. Now click the Begin Deletion button. Guys, look. All messages are automatically deleted. Now let's try the other FB message delete app. Guys, look. All messages are automatically deleted. That's it for today, guys. This video is uploaded from my new YouTube channel. I accidentally lost my old YouTube channel was lost due to my mistake, which had more than 1,000 subscribers. Hope you'll remember the name you've watched Ham's Tech Fixer YouTube channel. Please help me by like my video and subscribing to this channel.